What the? Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah, she did spawn inside the cage.
Did you did you hear the click sounds?
Uh, no,
No?
no.